Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share the mass hiring updates of couple of companies, and we have also got the referral email addresses. So you can share your CV to those particular email addresses, and you can also request them to refer you in their company, right? But please don't spam their email inbox. Let's be very clear and let's be very crisp in the information that you are sending along with the CV, right? So what I'll do is I'll share the details. And before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Right. So let me just open it. Yeah. So the couple of companies are hiring. A lot of roles related job opportunities are there, right? So Publicis Sapient is hiring for below roles. So these are all the roles that we have mentioned with the profile and the number of years required, so experience required. So you can send your CV on this particular email address, okay, by mentioning these details: notice period, role, and year of experience in the subject line itself, right? So it's a humble request. If someone is coming forward to help you, to refer you, so you know uh, let's appreciate those efforts and let's not spam their email inbox, right? There is a small note as well. Please don't share resume if you are already referred, given interview in the last 6 months. So if you have already given the interview in this company, in Publicis Sapient, then you don't need to share your CV again. So these are all the roles for which the hiring is done. Senior experience engineer React 4 to 6 years, lead experience engineer React 6 to 10 years, then senior experience engineer Node.js and lead experience engineer Node.js for 4 to 6 years and 6 to 9 years. Then managers experience in engineering 10 plus years, senior associate data analytics L1 4 plus years, senior associate data analytics L2 6 plus years, manager data analytics 9 plus years, right? So nearly 25, more than 35 roles are there, right? So you can see. Then you have senior associate technology L2 .NET microservices, then manager technology .NET microservices, then senior associate Java microservices, then core Java plus microservices, mobile solutions React Native, right? Then you have manager data engineering, senior associate infrastructure L1 DevOps, L2 DevOps, right? So L1, L2 level. Then again, mobile developers. So a lot of good job opportunities are there. More than 35 roles are there, right? And this is for the Publicis Sapient. Apart from this, you also have got roles in Hexaware Technologies. So Hexaware Technologies is hiring candidates with in the testing, who's having experience in the software testing. So test analyst, SDET automation, they are looking for experience 4 to 7 years. Location is Pune. Skills is automation testing Selenium. Job ID is 252867. Then again, one more opportunity for Pune itself, right? 252866. Then 252745 is about the SDET for Chennai location. And in this, they are looking for ETL testing, right? Then 252873, in this, they are looking for automation testing Selenium for Chennai location, 6 to 9 years of experience. Then test analyst for Chennai. Then again, test analyst for Chennai ETL testing. This is different job ID, right? So you can see 7 to 8 job opportunities are there for 4 plus years of experience, and you can apply to this particular link. So what we will do is we'll put this link in the comment section of the video itself, so you can apply there, right? Apart from this, let me take you to some more job opportunities. And again, needless to say, if anyone is charging you anything, then you don't have to entertain all those things. Just put in the comment section of the video, so we'll not take the job opportunity from those particular profiles, right? And this is a remote job opportunity. Timings are 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Position is QA engineer. Location is remote, right? Experience required is 7 plus years. And they are looking for QA engineer with experience in API testing, UI testing, Postman. And this is the company name, Miracle Software Systems, at Chaudhary at miraclesoft.com. Then Next Ever Private Limited is hiring. They are looking for HR manager, QA analyst, freshers to 3 years of experience. graphic designer, front-end developer, right? Then this is the email address where you have to apply, and it's a 5 days working. Salary hike on current. Okay, fine. So location is phase 8A, sector 75. I think this is of Mohali, right? Face-to-face interview would be there, and this is a work from office opportunity. Then you have the automation testing job opportunity in Bangalore, and it's with one of the top brands. So they have not mentioned the company name. So this is a consultancy in which they are looking for experience on Selenium WebDriver, right? Must have experience with CI/CD, Git, Jira, Jenkins, API web services, and should have experience in API automation frameworks such as REST assured, right? So those all things are required, right? Then you have any manual test engineer female candidate from Indore or nearby Indore location is looking for a job change. So you can share your CV at this particular email address. Experience required is 2+ years. Notice period is 15 days or less will be preferred, right? So again, company name is not mentioned, but it's the referral email address where they can refer you. It's an Indore-based job location, right? So that's it for this video. And we have shared the job opportunities with you. We have shared the testing job opportunities, remote as well as work from office for fresher as well as for experienced jobs, right? So please do hit like this video, and please share in your network. Also, please share in the social media on LinkedIn or on Instagram, and tag us so that we are able to reach to the maximum people. We want to help the maximum people, right? So please do the needful, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.